Okay. All right. So if we are together, then that is good. So we are moving on to the next part. The next questions. I'm clearing these ones. Can I clear? Can I clear? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number four. Number four, we can see a pretty easy question. Number four is about factorizing, which means we are taking the common out. So when we are taking what is common out, we look at the numbers first. We have 14 and 24. The highest common factor of 14 and 24. The highest common factor of 14 and 24 will be what? Will be 7. 7. And then what is common between p squared and pq? We have p is common. Okay. Then we open bracket. If we take 7p out, we'll be left with 2p plus then we take 7p out here, and then we'll be left with 3q. And simply we are done. That's the answer. And you need to practice. You need to practice as much as possible. Moses, are you hearing me? Moses? Moses here or is not?
Moses.
Huh?
Moses.
Moses.
See?
Are you
See?
Are you there or you are sleeping?
No, say I'm there, sir. I was. Yes,
You better talk. You better talk. I want to practice. When we open, I want first question of this question. Now,
yes, sir. Now we'll read it.
everybody, let's look at the sequences here. There are 5 terms in this sequence, so we're supposed to find the end term. So let's look at the rule here, there, and here. So we subtracted what here? We subtract 5.
Negative 5. Negative 5. Negative 5.
So we use our symbol one is a n plus b, isn't it? Our
Yes.
negative 5. So let's take like P2 is what? Is 8. Eh? P2
Yes.
is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, all the way to n. Okay? So here we can say therefore 8 is equals to negative 5. N is 2 plus b. Okay? Therefore 8 is equals to negative 10 plus b. So our b is equals to what? Is equals to
18. 18.
When this process defined there, it becomes 4. Therefore, we can write our any term to be equal to negative 5n
80.
plus 18. And that will be our answer there. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear the board?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Where's the board?
Moses, are you there? Can I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No chat, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, let's move on. Can I clean up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Somebody's just running there.
Solomon. Solomon.
Solomon.
We clear it and then we move forward. Here we have a question. The question says okay. The question says we have a triangle ABCD. ABC we have seen is a bisector of this angle here. Divide this angle into two, and so we are supposed to use ruler and only we should construct the locus of all points inside the ABC. Okay, which are 5 centimeters from B. 5 centimeters from B means we are going to make a circle whose we are going to draw a circle whose radius is 5 centimeters. 5.7 centimeters from B. Something like that. I don't know, maybe something. Just trying to come up with a circle. Okay. All right, a circle like that, but the radius should be the radius.
Yes, sir.
The radius should be all right, then there's a region inside the triangle that is wherever there. So this triangle should be quite big. It's only that I'm just showing you. It should be something like that. All right. So that are closer to B, that are closer to B than C, that are closer, that are more than 5 centimeters from B. We said those points there, right? And they are
Yes, sir.
further to BC than to AC. So this will be the region that will be shading. Okay? Okay, all right. Okay. So if you are done, please tell me because this, you need to construct this one appropriately.
Yes, sir.
Circle. All right. If you are done, please can we move forward? Can we zoom forward?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We move, eh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, all right. Okay. So I'm clearing out this.
Okay.
We got down. And then, all right. Let's go to number 7. Okay. Number 7, we have a circle. These are circle properties. We have a circle there with center O. So O is the center. So straight away, we can begin to make out. We can make out a lot of arguments. If this is O and this is a common code, this is the common code. When
Yes, sir.
this angle and this angle are the same because are subtended by the same chord. This is also okay. Yeah, subtended by the same chord. And this angle here, this angle
90 degrees.
90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, okay? Yeah, 90 degrees is angle subtended by the diameter. Therefore, x will equal to
180
minus
90 plus 53.
This is actually the sum of 90 minus 53, and that gives you what?
Gives you 37.
37 degrees.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I have a question. How come we're not like putting like the Sogatoro when you're trying to find this
Sorry?
angle?
No,
How
you
come
don't
we're not using? How come we're not putting like the
sides.
O?
The what?
Why not? Why don't we do that?
You don't have the sides.
This is
Oh, okay. Thank you.
factor properties. These are factor properties. Factor properties.
Okay, thank you.
These are factor properties. It is not trigonometry. So if it is trigonometry, then okay, that what you're saying will be applicable. Right now, no. It's not factor properties, so we just use angles and factor properties. So review the factor properties. Review them.
Yes, sir.
About the
Yes, sir.
properties. So from here, I want you to do about 5 problems. Big ones, complex
Okay.
one, not just simple ones.
Not babies.
I will be taking this one when we open. This lesson is live recorded. I will also put it on YouTube, so you're better. There is no way to escape. You will not escape. Can I clear?
There's a YouTube.
Wait, can I ask, that is 90 plus what?
90 plus
53.
Oh, okay.
53.
It's okay.
53. Good. Can I clear?
You can hear. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Go on.
So say this lesson is being on YouTube.
Okay, number 8, we have a triangle there. We are told that it's an isosceles triangle, isn't it? So that tells two base angles. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Base
Yes.
angles are
equal.
Therefore, x will equal to 180 minus 44 divided by 2.
By 2.
That is,
You got 68.
huh?
68, sir.
68 degrees. Everybody, please take it out. Your calculator.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, 68 degrees. Right. Then let's look at
yes, 68.
The exterior angle of a polygon. It means if it was a polygon, something like this, the exterior angle here is 24. Find the number of sides of that polygon. Now we know number of sides equals to 360 over the exterior angle. And this equals to 360 divided by 24.
24.
It gives you what? 360 divided
15.
By
15.
15, sir.
15 degrees,
Yes, sir.
Or 15 sides. 15 sides. 15 sides.
15, yeah.
Okay, right.
Wait, sir, can I ask?
Yes, ask.
Just when they ask you a question like find the number, how do you call this? Find the number of sides of the interior of the regular polygon. You say 180 over the interior angle.
No. You first find the exterior angle. Always find the exterior angle first. Okay. So if a given exterior angle, we know that 180 is equals to 180 equals to the 180 is equals to both exterior plus interior angle. So very important, please take note of that.
Yes, sir.
Take note of that. Welcome, David. David,
Yes, sir.
welcome, welcome. Welcome. These people have already been sending me the message, but yeah, I'll be sending you now. All right. So can we move forward? Can we move to the next?
No.
Mhm.
We have 20 minutes to go, so we need to move fast.
Yes, sir.
So run quickly.
So we can move forward.
Can
So
we?
we can move forward. You can continue.
Let's clear. Right. Let's progress down. I've not seen Abote today.
He's sleeping. That one.
Okay.
Uh,
Now we have Hamed, Batuk, and Chad. They share 1,000 in that ratio. Okay. In that ratio. So calculate the amount each received. This is a very simple one. So the first thing we find is total ratio. Total ratio is equal to 8 plus 7 plus 5. And this gives you how much? This gives you 20 what?
20.
Huh?
20.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So Hamed gets
Ahmed.
8 out of 20 times 1,000.
Ahmed.
Which is 400.
Batuk
400.
Hold on.
Batuk gets 7. Okay, somebody. Hey, listen. Okay, let me send you the link now, boy. Sorry, I forgot.
Sir?
Okay, no, I'm talking to someone else.
Oh, okay.
Wait, say A, it's 400.
Huh?
Yes.
A, it's 400. No, it's 40.
It's 400.
Oh, that's 1,000. Oh, okay.
Yes.
1,000. 1,000. So here we have
Oh,
7 out of 20 times 1,000 gives you what? And then
350.
and the charge will be what? Will be 5 out of 20 times 1,000. This is how much? 300.
250.
350.
B is 350.
350.
And this is how much?
250.
250.
250.
250.
250.
400 then. 350.
350. 250.
This is equal to what? 800 plus 400. Okay, which is one. Huh? This amount should be.
4,000.
This is how much?
It's equals to 1,000.
The total is
All
3,000.
Altogether, it's 1,000.
Perfect. All right. Let's move on to the next question, please. Can
Yes, sir.
I clean up the
Hold on,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, I'm cleaning the things up now. Go to the next one. Number 10 here. Pavan saves X each month, X dollars each month. Each two brothers save $4 more than he saves each month. So altogether, 33 boys save that one. So write down and put into that one. This guy saves x, while these two brothers each saves 4 more. So we have x plus 4, and the other one also does the same, x plus 4. 59. So this is 26. Working out, this one will be x plus x plus x, which is 3x
X plus 8.
is equal to 26 there. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I hope you are together so you can do the next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, so let's find the value of x. Anybody can solve this equation now. Anybody. But try to you can write as big as you can. 3x
3x
plus 8 is equal to 26. Bring this side times negative
3x
3, x is equal to 26
6
minus
minus
this
8.
one is
26 minus 8 is
1
So is
18.
that 18?
by 3 divided by 3. So our x is equal to what?
6.
50.
Yeah, boy.
Good.
32, 18,
Good.
Yes, sir.
6, yes, sir.
Huh?
X.
Okay. Welcome, Munzo Saba. Long time.
Yes, sir.
Welcome. Put your found us in the deal. It's good. You will not do it again. Welcome.
Sir.
Right. Yes. So let's clear this board. Let me clear the board.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. Then we move to the next part. Simultaneous equation. Interesting. This question. Let's hammer it. Okay. Of these two simultaneous equations. So what is our first line of defense? This is a simple question. We can try to use this what you call, we can use elimination method, or we can use the basic substitution
Substitution.
x there. So which one do you prefer to use?
I say eliminate.
The next thing is, the next important thing is to make sure that we can eliminate this fraction. So we can multiply here. This is equation 1. We multiply throughout by 2 here. And you will find that if you multiply here by 2, by 2, by 2, we will get x plus, sorry. X minus x minus 8 times 2 is 16y is equals to 2. Okay, is equals to 2. Then we can work out this one. This is x plus 2y is equals to, this is 6 times 2 is 12, 13 over 2. Multiply throughout by 2. So multiply throughout by 2 times 2 there, times 2 there, times 2 there. And this will give you what? It will give you 2x plus 4y is equal to 13. So we have these two questions here. X minus 16y is equal to 2. And we have 2x plus 4y is equal to 13. Then we can eliminate. What do you want us to eliminate? We can eliminate x. It's easier to eliminate x. X times 2 and here times 1. So this is 2x minus 2y
Oof.
is equals to 4. Then we have 2x plus 4y is equals to 13. And these signs here are the same, so we subtract throughout. We subtract throughout. We are subtracting throughout there. Subtract throughout. So this is 0, and this is minus 32 minus plus 4, which would be the same as minus what? It would be minus 36y is equals to 4 minus 13 is what? Is equal to minus 9. Minus 9. So we divide both sides by minus 36, divide by negative 36. This and this cancels, and we will come here right? It comes
0.25.
our y is a quarter. Is a quarter.
Yes.
Yes, right. Eh? So now
Yes.
Sir.
we can substitute this one. So we have y is 1/4 or 0.25. A quarter is 0.25. Then we can substitute y in any of the equation there. Which one do we can you take? We can take the first one. We have a half of x minus 8 times a quarter, okay? This is equal to 1. Therefore, we have half of x plus 2. This is 2. Go to the other side. 2 crosses the other side. It becomes negative, so we have negative. We can move it. Huh? Remove
Yes, sir.
plus. It becomes plus 1. Actually, 3. Yeah? Because if it's 2 cross equal sign, it becomes 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then you multiply the root by 2. So x, multiply the root both sides, multiply by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. So we have x is equal to 6 there. Okay, so x here is 6. 6. Nicely. Nicely. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can check it here. You can check it here. If you are going to check, you can check.
Hey.
Let's check. We have x is what? 6 plus 2 into a quarter. It should give you 6.5. So this is 6 plus a quarter here. A half, sorry. Is equal to 6.5. So 6.5 is equal to 6.5. So our answer was super. Super good. Right. Do you want, I want you to practice this one. Here you must do 5 problems. Let me show you. 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From.
Yes.
It's not from 5 to from. Read it from. Right. Can you move on? Can I clear the board? Can I clear the canvas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear the canvas. AG, are you there? AG is quiet.
Say I'm alive.
Okay, good. Even beautiful. Okay. Here we have a question. Okay, we have we have the population of Alton is decreasing at this big rate. Yeah. People are dying too much here. In 2013,
Yeah.
the population was 60,000. Calculate the population after 4 years. So we are looking at depreciation. 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 So get depreciation, the amount for depreciation. We use the formula, but with the name
Company interest. Okay.
Minus.
with a negative sign there. See. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Let me go back to conventional calc. Therefore, our amount here will be given to by
50,000.
1 minus
1 minus 3 over 100.
4. If you do this one, so amount will be 60,000 into 1.03 power 4. This one gives you direct. Hammer direct. No. Minus.
Sir?
Which is minus. Not positive. Please. Okay. That one will be 0.97. It will be 0.97 because we subtract here. This is 1 minus 0.03. So it is 0.09.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is 500. 50,000.
Sir?
Yeah.
So the answer is 44,264.
44,000.
264,264.
Yeah. 264. 264, we can give it 267.
Sir.
We actually, let's write it in three significant figures. Remember, we always have to write it in three significant figures. So this becomes what? Equals to 4,300. Perfect. Good.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's look at this question. We are told that x varies directly as the cube root of y. Okay. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
x is equal to a constant k multiplied by the cube root of y. Right? Therefore, we are given a complete set here. Let's find k. So we can find that 6 is equal to k multiplied by the cube root of 8. And
Eight.
therefore, 6 is equal to the cube root of 8 is 2. Therefore, k is equal to 6 over 2, which is simply 3.
3.
Now, we can write our equation as x is equal to 3 cube root of y. That is the formula. Hence, we can find the value of y, value of x. Therefore, here, when y is equal to 64, our x is equal to 3 multiplied by the cube root of 64. And the cube root of 64 is what? It's 4. So the answer here is 9.
Oh.
Good. Are we together, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Class is very quiet. This class is quiet. Right.
Yes.
So that's good. And I want you to practice again. These ones I want you to do both for direct. There's direct.
Inverse.
4 and the inverse. You do 4. In total, we will
Yes, sir.
have problem. I'll write those things. Otherwise, when we open, I will come with a shambo.
Yes, sir.
Trampoline.
Huh?
It is.
Trampoline.
It's shamble.
The angel of war.
Oh.
Yeah, the angel of war.
Can I clear this board? Can I clear the board?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Will be our last question for today. Not
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
for now. I will send you a link. We have to complete this paper later today. Even if it
Yes,
is
sir.
Okay.
no problem.
Even if it's what?
Even if it is at night. Now find the equation
Yes, sir.
Hey.
of a line that is perpendicular to this line now and passes through these points. So the first thing is to understand perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are lines that cross each other like at right angles. So we have line A and line B. Yeah. So the gradient of A, and here we have gradient of B. When we take gradient of A times gradient of B, we get -1. So this is a very important fact for you to enjoy. That you can never escape. Okay, then we. So now we have this one. So for this line here, M is 3, isn't it? All right.
Yes, sir.
So for the line 2, the equation of a line and this one,
Oh, okay.
that equation is what? Okay. So obviously this will be 3 times M2 is equal to -1. Therefore, M2 equal divide both sides by -3. By 3, sorry. It will be -1/3. Okay. So now look at this equation. You know y is equal to mx plus c. We already have m and we have this. So we have 7 is equal to -1/3 Sorry, this is y. No? So you have y, that is 4 is equals to 1 over negative 1 over 3 multiplied by 7 plus c. So we are looking for c. Multiply both sides by 3. Huh? Okay, this is the same as what? This is the same as negative. So we have 4 plus 7 over 3 is equals to c. Okay. And we know that 7 over 3 is the same as what? Is the same as 1 and is the same as 2 and 1 over 3. Agree?
Same as.
So we can find that our c equals 4 plus 2 and 1 over 3, and that gives you 6 and 1 over 3. Therefore, our equation will be y is equals to negative 1 over 3x plus 6 and 1 over 3. Perfectly done. So write it down nicely, and then learn it. You will learn it and learn it and learn it.
Yes, sir.
This one it's a bit complicated, sir.
I will revise it later, but I want you to learn it. I want you to follow the.
Yes, sir.
Let me maybe identify or make an identification of the steps that we went through. This was step 1, okay, and this was step 2 here. That was step 2, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That was step 3, okay. Then step,
Yes, sir.
this is step 4. This is step 4, and here, this is step 5. And finally, 6 is here. All right. Are you done writing?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a link, and then I will send it to all of you for a later lesson to complete this paper and probably something else. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. So I'm knocking off. I'm knocking. All right. I'm knocking off. Bye bye, everybody. Enjoy yourselves.
Bye, sir.